What's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of Market Strip Down Saturdays, brought to you by your boy Chris from Day Traders Lifestyle TV. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell so you get notified whenever we drop a new video, and I will see you soon. Episode 5, Market Strip Down Saturdays. First chart we're going to go over is, as always, gold. We can see that we had a large push up here on Friday. Sat around the low of the week, which was created on Monday, pulled away on Tuesday, retested the high of the week, failed, consolidated. Wednesday, we did have a push past the high of the week, but if you look, we didn't close above it. The high of the week is right here where the crosshair is, and if you look across, we didn't close above. We actually retested it on that second wick on the 1 hour right there, and from there we just plummeted, literally just plummeted 100 pips. Retesting almost at the low of the week with a slight pullback, an extended push down. If you notice, though, we didn't close below the low of the week, so this was just a nice big stop hunt. Also, we didn't close below, well, obviously we didn't, but we did push just past and a little bit lower, about 7 pips lower than the low of the week before that, the previous week before that. Very intense push up from there. A little bit of consolidation, a continued push up, consolidation. Into Friday, we had a nice lower wick created here on the daily. A push up. Strong resistance around here once we closed above the high of the week from this wick on Wednesday. We did come back below it, a few upper wicks here, a retest of the high from Thursday, and then just skyrocketed from there. What we have now here is this high from Friday. We have obviously some exhaustion, upper wicks created. You can see we have a nice trend line from February 4th. Extending across to February 13th. From February 13th, this is where we're at now. Friday, I'm expecting possibly a little gap up to retest this trend line. Maybe not even. We could just open where we are, slight upper wick, collapse, come back below Wednesday's high. Retest it, use it sort of as a resistance area, fall from there again, coming back below this low from Friday and using this area as a nice resistance area, and continuing a nice fall to retest this trend line that we have, this ascending trend line from the lows of last week, minus, what is this, Wednesday and Thursday. We're going to exclude those. But we're going to use the low from the Thursday before Monday. A nice clear retest here actually on this trend line on Thursday, which would have been a very nice entry point for a buy. I'm expecting a push down to the 1310, 1309, somewhere around there, probably 1310 I'd say, and from there we'll go into some consolidation. Let's head over to EURUSD. EURUSD, we can see that I have the 112.86 handle drawn in. I'm expecting a push down below it, a retest of that price point, continued push down to this descending trend line that I have, which is Fridays and Thursdays bodies, the lows. I'm expecting a retest of there, which will create a nice lower wick on the weekly, and a fake push down on the lower time frames, obviously, which will trap a lot of traders. At which point we will bounce off of there and head back to pretty much where we are now, or the high from Friday and Thursday, and possibly even break it. Let's head over to USDJPY. USDJPY, I'm expecting a push up above the 110.65 price handle, with a retest of that, using it as a support level, which is the high from Friday. So we're going to use Friday's high as a support level, bounce off of there. We're going to head up to around the 111 price handle. From there, I think that we will see price head back down. So I'm expecting maybe around Tuesday afternoon we'll be around here, maybe Wednesday, and then a midweek reversal to push down and create a nice upper wick on the weekly time frame. Let's now head over to GBPJPY. GBPJPY, this is the 4-hour time frame. Keep that in mind. I am expecting a nice push up and a retest to use the 143 as a support. From there, this is obviously longer term. From there, I'm expecting the 143 to be a support and push up to the 144.69. Keep in mind that we could quite possibly get rejected. I'd say anywhere in this area. So anywhere around here, we could have a rejection, and then a collapse. So that is two different options for GJ to keep in mind. Don't be closed-minded, and just keep an eye on what the chart is showing you, and it will tell you what the next move is.
What's going on, guys? I hope you enjoyed episode 5 of Market Strip Down Saturdays. I hope it brings you some insight and direction as to where the market's going. Alright, and I will see you on episode 6. Peace out. Yeah.